Math 6, Quarter 1, Week 2, Melc-Based. Let's learn about multiply simple fractions and mixed fractions. Lesson 1. Hello kids, it's me, Teacher Frel. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and hit the notification bell for the latest video. You can also follow my Facebook page, Teacher Frel TV. Hello kids! For today's lesson in Math 6, we will discuss about multiply simple fractions and mixed fractions. This is lesson 1 of week 2. For most essential learning competencies, multiply simple fractions and mixed fractions. After going through this lesson, you are expected to multiply simple fractions and mixed fractions. Multiplying fractions are just like multiplying numbers. To multiply fractions, you have to multiply the numerators, and then multiply also the denominators of the fractions to be multiplied. If the product is an improper fraction, simplify it or reduce to its lowest term. And now, let us begin our lesson with our first activity, Learning Task 1. Multiply the given fractions. Write your answer in your notebook. Number 1. 3/4 times 1/2. So this is simple fractions. To multiply these fractions, you have to multiply first the numerators. So 3 times 1 equals 3. And then multiply also the denominators. 4 times 2 equals 8. So the answer is 3/8. Number 2. 1/5 times 3/7. Multiply first the numerators. 1 times 3 equals 3. Then multiply the denominators. 5 times 7 equals 35. So the answer is 3/35. Number 3. 8/11 times 7/9. Multiply the numerators. 8 times 7 equals 56. Then the denominators. 11 times 9 equals 99. So the answer is 56/99. Number 4. 5/13 times 6/7 equals, multiply the numerators. 5 times 6 equals 30. Then the denominators. 13 times 7 equals 91. The answer is 30/91. And for number 5, 8/17 times 4/5 equals, multiply the numerators. 8 times 4 equals 32. And 17 times 5 equals 85. So the answer is 32/85. Cancellation method can be applied before multiplying the fractions so that the product is already in its lowest term. You can apply cancellation if there is a common factor in the numerator and the denominator. For example, multiply 4/5 and 10/11. Rewrite 4/5 times 10/11. First, use the cancellation method before multiplying the fractions. It can be 4/5, 10/11, or 4/11 and 10/5. Let's find out. Is there a common factor in numerator 4 and denominator 5? No. How about numerator 10 and denominator 11? No. There is no common factor. How about numerator 4 and denominator 11? No. There is no common factor. How about numerator 10 and denominator 5? Yes. There is common factor. In denominator 5 and numerator 10, there is a common factor. So we will use the cancellation method. The common factor of 5 and 10 is 5. We will divide them by 5. 5 divided by 5 equals 1 and 10 divided by 5 equals 2. Now it's time to multiply the numerators. So 4 times 2 equals 8. And multiply the denominators. 1 times 11 equals 11. So as you can see, the product is already in its lowest term. 8 over 11 is the final answer. So it is already a lowest term. And now, let us do learning task 2. Multiply the given fractions. Use cancellation method. Write your answer in your notebook. Number 1. 4/5 times 10/11. So the pair of numerator and denominator that have common factor is 5 and 10. Use the cancellation method. The common factor of 5 and 10 is 5. Then divide. 5 divided by 5 equals 1. 10 divided by 5 equals 2. Now the new fraction is 4 over 1 times 2 over 11. And now it's time to multiply. 4 times 2 equals 8. Then 1 times 11 equals 11. So 8 over 11 is the answer. Number 2. 7 over 9 times 18 over 25. First, use the cancellation method. So the pair of numerator and denominator that have common factor is 9 and 18. Cancel them. Then, the common factor of 9 and 18 is 9. 9 divided by 9 equals 1. 18 divided by 9 equals 2. So we have a new fractions. 7 over 1 times 2 over 25. Multiply. 7 times 2 equals 14. Then 1 times 25 equals 25. The answer is 14 over 25. Next, number 3. 8 over 15 times 9 over 24. Use the cancellation method. So the pair of numerator and denominator that have common factor is 8 and 24. The common factor of 8 and 24 is 8. Divide them. 8 divided by 8 equals 1. 24 divided by 8 equals 3. Another pair of numerator and denominator that have common factor is 9 and 15. The common factor of 9 and 15 is 3. Divide by 3. 15 divided by 3 equals 5 and 9 divided by 3 equals 3. We have a new fraction. 1 over 5 or 1/5 times 3 over 3. So 3 over 3 have common factors which is 3. 3 divided by 3 equals 1 and 3 divided by 3 equals 1. Rewrite 1/5 times 1 over 1. 1 times 1 equals 1 and 5 times 1 equals 5. So the final answer is 1/5. Number 4. 9 over 16 times 6 over 9. So there is a pair of numerator and denominator that have common factor. They are numerator 9 and denominator 9. The common factor is 9. So 9 divided by 9 equals 1. 9 divided by 9 equals 1. Another pair of numerator and denominator that have common factor is 16 and 6. The common factor is 2. 16 divided by 2 equals 8. Then 6 divided by 2 equals 3. Now, write the new fraction. 1 over 8 times 3 over 1. Multiply. 1 times 3 equals 3. 8 times 1 equals 8. So the final answer is 3 over 8. And for number 5, 18 over 25 times 8 over 27. The pair of numerator and denominator that have common factor is 18 and 27. The common factor is 9. Divide. 18 divided by 9 equals 2. Then 27 divided by 9 equals 3. Now, write the new fraction. 2 over 25 times 8 over 3. And then multiply. 2 times 8 equals 16. 25 times 3 equals 75. So the answer is 16 over 75. Aside from multiplying fraction, we can also perform the following types. Number 1, multiplication of fractions by a whole number and vice versa. Number 2, multiplication of fraction by a mixed number and vice versa. Number 3, multiplication of whole number by a mixed number. And number 4, multiplication of mixed number by another mixed number. Example 1. 3/5 times 8. 8 is a whole number. So this type is multiplication of fraction by a whole number. Rewrite 3/5, then whole number 8 is same as 8 over 1 to make it fraction. Now multiply. 3 times 8 equals 24, then 5 times 1 equals 5. So the answer is 24 over 5. 24 over 5 is improper fraction. Change it to mixed number. Divide 24 divided by 5 equals 4. 4 is the whole number. Then the remainder is 4. And copy the denominator 5. So the answer is 4 and 4/5. Example number 2. 5/6 times 3 and 1/2. So this type is fraction by a mixed number. First, rewrite 5/6, then change 3 and 1/2, which is mixed number, to improper fraction. By multiplying, 3 times 2 equals 6, then add 1, plus 1 equals 7. Then copy the denominator 2. So the answer is 7 over 2. Now multiply. 5 times 7 equals 35, then 6 times 2 equals 12. This is improper fraction. Change it to mixed number. To change, divide 35 by 12. 35 divided by 12 equals 2. 2 is the whole number, then the remainder is 11. And copy the denominator 12. So the answer is 2 and 11 over 12. For learning task 3, multiply the given fractions. Write your solution in your notebook. Number 1, 6 times 5 over 12. So whole number 6 is same as 6 over 1. Then rewrite 5 over 12. 6 over 1 times 5 over 12. And then use the cancellation method. The pair of numerator and denominator that have common factor is 6 and 12. The common factor is 6. Now divide. 6 divided by 6 equals 1. 12 divided by 6 equals 2. The new fraction is 1 over 1 times 5 over 2. Then multiply. 1 times 5 equals 5. 1 times 2 equals 2. 5 over 2 is improper fraction. Change to mixed number. 5 divided by 2 equals 2, which is the whole number. And the numerator is the remainder, 1. Copy the denominator 2. The answer is 2 and 1/2. Number 2. 7 over 8 times 24. Rewrite 7 over 8 times 24 is same as 24 over 1. Now, find the common factors. The common factors are 8 and 24, and their common factor is 8. Divide. 8 divided by 8 equals 1. 24 divided by 8 equals 3. The new fraction is 7 over 1 times 3 over 1. 7 times 3 equals 21. 1 times 1 equals 1. So 21 over 1 is same as 21. The answer is 21. Number 3. 4 over 9 times 27 times 1/2 equals, rewrite 4 over 9 times 27 is same as 27 over 1. Then rewrite 1/2. Now, find the pairs of numerators and denominators that have common factors. So these are 4 and 2. Their common factor is 2. 4 divided by 2 equals 2. 2 divided by 2 equals 1. Another common factors are 9 and 27. Their common factor is 9. 9 divided by 9 equals 1. 27 divided by 9 equals 3. Now, write the new fraction. 2 over 1 times 3 over 1 times 1 over 1. And then multiply. 2 times 3 times 1 equals 6. And then 1 times 1 times 1 equals 1. So 6 over 1 is same as 6. Number 4. 8 and 2/5 times 18 and 1/3. So these are mixed fractions. Change them to improper fraction. 8 times 5 plus 2 equals 42 over 5. Then the second mixed fraction is 18 times 3 plus 1 equals 55 over 3. Then multiply. First, use the cancellation method. The pair of numerator and denominator that have common factors are 42 and 3. Their common factor is 3. 42 divided by 3 equals 14. 3 divided by 3 equals 1. Another pair of numerator and denominator that have common factor is 5 and 55. Their common factor is 5. 5 divided by 5 equals 1. 55 divided by 5 equals 11. The new fraction is 14 over 1 times 11 over 1. And then multiply. 14 times 11 equals 154. Then 1 times 1 equals 1. 154 over 1 is same as 154. So this is the answer. And number 5, 6 times 2/3 times 2 and 1/2 equals. So 6 is same as 6 over 1 times, rewrite 2/3 times, change the mixed number 2 and 1/2 to improper fraction. So 2 times 2 plus 1 equals 5 over 2. Now, find the pair of numerators and denominators that have common factors. So these are 6 and 3. The common factor is 3. 6 divided by 3 equals 2. 3 divided by 3 equals 1. Another pair that have common factors is 2. The common factor is 2. 2 divided by 2 equals 1. 2 divided by 2 equals 1. Now, write the new fraction. 2 over 1 times 1 over 1 times 5 over 1. So 2 times 1 times 5 equals 10 over 1. So 10 over 1 is same as 10. So this is the answer. Aside from the symbol X or times, we can also use the symbol dot or open and close parentheses to indicate multiplication. Also, phrases such as times and phrases such as the product of and phrases such as multiplied by and of can be used too in multiplication. Instead 1/2 times 3/4, it could be written any of the following. 1/2, the symbol dot, 3/4. It can be open and close parentheses 1/2 times open and close parentheses 3/4. 1/2 times 3/4. It can be the product of 1/2 and 3/4. It can be 1/2 multiplied by 3/4 and 1/2 of 3/4. And for learning task 4, multiply the given fractions. Write your solution in your notebook. Number 1, 5 over 7, 14 over 35. The symbol used is a dot. It means times. We can rewrite this as 5 over 7 times 14 over 35. So use the cancellation method. The common factors are 5 and 35. They are divisible to 5. Now divide. 5 divided by 5 equals 1. And 35 divided by 5 equals 7. Another pair of numerator and denominator that have common factor is 7 and 14. they are visible to 7. So 7 divided by 7 equals 1. And 14 divided by 7 equals 2. And now we can multiply the numerators and the denominators. So 1 times 2 equals 2. And 1 times 7 equals 7. So the answer is 2 over 7. Number 2. 4/5 times 10 over 11. The symbol used is open and close parenthesis. It also means as 4/5 times 10 over 11. And now, let's use the cancellation method. The pair of numerator and denominator that have common factors are 5 and 10. And they are visible to 5. So 5 divided by 5 equals 1. And 10 divided by 5 equals 2. Now, multiply the numerator and denominator. 4 times 2 equals 8. And 1 times 11 equals 11. So the answer is 8 over 11. Number 3. 8 and 3/4 multiplied by 2 9ths. First, change the mixed number to improper fraction. So 8 times 4 plus 3 equals 35. Then copy the denominator 4. 35 over 4 times 2 over 9. Now, let's use the cancellation method. So the pair of numerator and denominator that have common factors are 4 and 2. They are visible to 2. So 4 divided by 2 equals 2. And 2 divided by 2 equals 1. Next is multiply numerators and denominators. 35 times 1 equals 35. And 2 times 9 equals 18. Now, 35 over 18 is improper fraction. Change it to mixed number. So 35 divided by 18 equals 1. 1 is the whole number and the remainder is 17. Then copy the denominator 18. So the answer is 1 and 17 over 18. And number 4. 4/5, 10/11, 7/8. This fraction is the same as 4/5 times 10/11 times 7/8. Next, use the cancellation method. The pair of numerators and denominators that have common factors are 4 and 8. They are visible to 4. 4 divided by 4 equals 1. 8 divided by 4 equals 2. Another pair of numerator and denominator that have common factors are 10 and 5. And they are visible to 5. So 5 divided by 5 equals 1. And 10 divided by 5 equals 2. Another common factors are 2. So 2 divided by 2 equals 1. 2 divided by 2 equals 1. And now, write the new fraction. 1 over 1 times 1 over 11 times 7 over 1 equals 1 times 1 times 7 equals 7. And 1 times 11 times 1 equals 11. So the answer is 7 over 11. So kids, do you understand our lesson for today? Wow! Good job! Kids, I hope you learn a lot from this lesson. Until our next topic, bye-bye kids! Thanks for watching!